Mother.
Matka.
Father.
Otak.
Brother.
Brat.
Sister.
Sestra.
Grandfather.
Deda.
Grandmother.
Baba.
Uncle.
Ujek.
Aunt.
Teka.
Husband.
Mu.
Wife.
Ina.
Son.
Sin.
Daughter.
Erica.
Parents.
Roditelji.
Sons.
Sinovi.
Daughters.
Eric.
Children.
Dika.